We have gathered reviews from all over the internet to provide a comprehensive and expert overview of the Ubroo laser hair removal device, a 3-in-1 IPL hair removal machine designed for at-home use by both women and men. This device promises effective, painless, and permanent hair reduction with the added benefit of a unique ice cooling technology to soothe the skin during treatment. If you own this product, please leave your review in the comments to help others make informed decisions. The Ubroo device uses advanced IPL technology combined with a clinical-grade ice touch cooling system that lowers the skin temperature to 5 degrees Celsius before the light pulses are applied. This cooling feature helps to reduce redness, swelling, and discomfort commonly associated with hair removal treatments. The IPL light wavelength ranges from 600 to 1200 nanometers, targeting hair follicles deeply and safely to induce a dormant state, which leads to permanent hair reduction over time. Users report that the device is effective, with up to 92.4% of women testifying to as much as 96% hair reduction after 2 months of consistent use. The device is designed with 9 adjustable energy levels, allowing users to start at the lowest setting and gradually increase intensity based on their skin sensitivity and comfort. It is suitable for various body areas including legs, arms, underarms, bikini line, and face, with manual mode available for smaller, more sensitive areas. The device is not wireless and requires being plugged in during use, but the cord length is sufficient for comfortable handling. Its ergonomic round body design and a uniquely positioned flash button make it easy to hold and operate. Some users noted that the button placement can lead to accidental setting changes if the device is held incorrectly, but this is a minor issue that can be managed with practice. In terms of usability, the Ubroo hair removal machine is praised for its straightforward operation and clear instructions. The device comes with a pair of protective goggles, a shaver for prepping the skin, and a user manual. Most users find it lightweight, yet solidly built, with a comfortable grip that makes treatment sessions manageable. Comfort during use is generally rated positively. While the device is not completely painless, the sensation is described as mild tingling or slight stinging, particularly at higher intensity levels or on sensitive areas. The cooling function significantly alleviates discomfort, making the experience more tolerable. For those with low pain tolerance, using a numbing cream before a treatment may be helpful. Performance results vary depending on individual hair type, skin tone, and consistency of use. Many users report visible hair reduction within 6 to 8 weeks, with smoother skin and slower hair regrowth. The device is especially effective on areas like the legs and underarms. Some users have noted that it thins hair rather than completely stopping growth in the short term, but with continued use, permanent reduction is achievable. Compared to professional salon treatments, the Ubroo device offers a cost-effective alternative that saves time and money. It eliminates the need for appointments and travel, providing privacy and convenience. The device boasts an impressive 999,900 flashes, enough for long-term use by an entire family. Some drawbacks include the need for patience and consistent treatment over weeks to see significant results. The device must be used on shaved skin to avoid burns, and it is not suitable for all skin tones or hair colors, so users should consult the provided color chart before purchase. Additionally, the device is not cordless, which may be less convenient for some. Overall, the Ubroo laser hair removal device is a well-designed, effective, and user-friendly solution for at-home permanent hair removal. Its unique ice cooling technology sets it apart by enhancing comfort during treatment. While it requires dedication and time to achieve the best results, it offers excellent value for money compared to salon electrolysis or laser sessions. For those seeking a private, affordable, and efficient hair removal method, this device is a strong contender. Remember, the link to the product is in the description. Using it supports this channel and helps us continue providing detailed reviews. If you have experience with this device, please share your thoughts in the comments to assist others in their purchasing decisions.